So we have the successful response here. You see all the data we get from the response, and let's see what the data we need in the database. We need payment ID, payer email, amount, currency, payment method, status. So we will take it from here. Let's create the data. We can say process data as an associative array. We can say payment ID, or we can copy it from here. And we can get the ID from here, UC ID. So we have to say data, then ID. Let's copy several times. Then we need payer ID. Payer ID. Let's see where we'll get the payer ID. Here we have the payer ID, so you have to say payer, then we have to say payment method, payer info, then we can get the payer ID. Then we need payer email. So where is the payer email? Let's see. In the payer, let's see, info, we have the email. So we can copy this. And we need amount. Let's put the amount. And where is the amount? Let's see, we have the amount in the transactions. Transactions have another array inside it. Let's take the first one. Then we can say, I think, total. Then we need currency. We get the currency here. We can copy it and call the currency. Then we need payment method. We don't have it, so we have to put manually. We can say PayPal, and we need a status. So we'll get a status from the other part called state, I think. Yeah, you see state, call approve. And those data will proceed further. And let's create the insert method. We will use this printf. Let's say insert into, it will be table name here, then column, then values. Then we can say table name call payments. Let's see. Then we have to put the this column name like payment ID and comma, then payer ID and so on. So we can say implode and make comma separated from this process data array, and we will take only the keys of this array. So we can say array keys. And another way, we have to put the values like payment ID, then comma, then payer ID, like this. So we can copy this one. Let's put the extra part here and add another clone here. So our query is going to be ready, and we can say statement, then our PDO connection is DB connect. Should be DB. Let's see. Our connection is called DB connect. Okay. Then we can say prepare the insert, then statement and execute. What will execute? It will execute the process data, and let's see if it's working or not. It should work if everything goes well. Let's reload the page. Okay, some checkout 171, checkout 171. Okay, I think it should be email, not pair email, and we don't get the total, so 172. Total should be payer ID, payment ID, payer email, amount should be data, transactions. Okay, we have to, I think, put an amount here. Then currency, so currency should be of, let's put it this is the wrong. Let's reload the page. 173 index currency. So our data inserted here, you see something wrong. It's I think it won't be problem, because after inserted we didn't redirect any page. That's why it's making the problem, but you see our everything working fine. Thank you.